Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to fix Instagram repost button if it's missing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to go ahead and check if your app is fully updated. Go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Now just find Instagram. If there is an update button, just go ahead and update it. Like so, wait for it to fully finish, and once that's done, go ahead and check if the repost button is now available. Okay. The second option is by going to the app itself. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram, and we will go ahead and verify the sharing settings on your profile. Okay, tap on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find how others can interact with you. Okay, tap on sharing and reuse. Just make sure that repost and post and reels is enabled. Okay, these toggles as well. So once that's done, go ahead and go back to your home section and check if you can now see the repost button. Okay, now if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and try changing your account type into a personal, business, or creator account. Okay, to do that, go to your profile right here. Okay, go back to settings and just go ahead and find for professionals or business tools and controls. Okay, tap on it and just switch your account type. Okay, if you are currently on a business account, go ahead and try personal or creator and vice versa. Now, once that's done, fully close the app. Okay, open it up once more and check if it helps. Okay, now some users post their specific reel or photos with the repost option disabled. Okay, not all posts can be reposted. Do keep that in mind, as the feature only works on public accounts and posts. Okay, if their account is private, well, the repost button will not be available. So if all else fails, you can go ahead and report the problem to Instagram. Okay, if you still can't see the repost button, even if you already scroll through many contents right here, you still can't see a repost button, well, just report it to Instagram. Okay, tap on your profile, 3 horizontal lines, scroll down, all the way down, and find the report button. Okay, right here under help, and just report the problem. Okay, that is it. Those are 5 ways to fix your Instagram app if the repost button is missing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.